It's time to get into some Christmas unpacking before Christmas. Today we're going to look at a dartboard that's made out of Velcro for my son, but he doesn't know yet because Christmas is still a month away. So let's check it out, see how it is, so we can get it ready for Christmas. A list of all the other products. Package includes fabric dartboard sticky, hook for mounting the dartboard, 10 strap balls, and 2 extra strap balls. Six balls of each color, wrapped in Velcro. Easily mountable on the back. Also comes with an adhesive hook to be able to mount it.